Hey folks, so tonight I decided to make some jerk fried pork chops. Very simple. This is the list of ingredients I use for the flour dredge, and I'm going to also add these ingredients into the description. And from there, I'm also going to add my favorite all-purpose seasoning, but you can use yours, of course. And I'm going to also add some jerk seasoning. With the all-purpose seasoning, I didn't add much, even though it may seem like it, but this is actually going to be distributed on all the pork chops. The jerk seasoning is where I added a little bit more. So once you mix all of that onto the pork chops, you want to add it to your flour dredge. And then from there, you want to make sure that it sits a little bit, recoat it, and then add it to the cooking oil. I just added enough that will cover at least most of the pork chop. It's not like deep fried. And because of the thickness of these particular pork chops, I did cook them like for 5 minutes on each side, and I did that twice. And I added it to a cooking rack so that they could stay crispy. And while these were cooking, I made some frozen corn on the cob, added some Parmesan cheese, some garlic butter, as well as some chili powder and parsley. Also made some instant potatoes. I figured why do all the work with the side dishes? Make sure that the meat was going to be well. And then from there, I added all the pork chops back into the pan. From here, you can be creative and add some bell peppers and onions or leave it as is. I hope this is a great dinner idea for your next meal.